Hi guys, this is Anne. Today I'm going to be making a juice because I have done an enema. If you don't know what an enema is where you take water and you put it into your intestines through your anus. Yes, that's gross, but I normally do that. So when I do that, I normally have the whole day, I just drink juices. So I'm going to use what I have. I actually bought some watermelons. I'm going to put a whole watermelon. I don't know what size that is, but yeah. Then I'm going to put some celery and some ginger. I normally put turmeric, but I'll put turmeric powder. So I've got some turmeric powder. Actually, it's quite a little. Yes, and then I'm going to put something called parsley. It's good. It has omega-3s, yeah, and iron and all that. It's something that grows in the wild. That you just get it anywhere, because I just got it from when I was walking. I just came, from the shops. I was walking around and I saw them. Called parsley. Very good omega-3s, and also for people with mental issues, it also helps a little bit. Taking it for the omega-3s. And then we also have something called this dandelion. That's the only leaf I have. I have others. Okay, I have other ones, but I don't know what they are called, so I'll show you, but you'll not know. Just wild greens. Everything here is just okay. The greens here are all wild except for obviously the celery. It's a celery stick. It's just one celery stick, actually 1.5 celery stick. It doesn't matter the measurement. Just put whatever you have. With juices, it doesn't matter. You have to put this certain amount. If you like it more on the hot side in terms of ginger, you can put more. I love ginger, so I'll put more of that. So it's just going to be that ginger and the watermelon. Just blend, and then I'm going to strain. So I'll just put everything. I'll first blend the watermelon since it has filled to the brim, as you can see. Then I'll put the rest of the ingredients. Okay, I've blended it and it's still very full, as you can see there. So I'm going to strain it. You can put that in there, the celery. Then I'll put the ginger. I'll just chop them up a little to help the blender. And then, doesn't matter the amount. Put some turmeric. And then the greens, as I showed you, the parsley and a bit of dandelions, some other wild greens. It's almost in the dandelion family, but I'm not so look like. So this is how it looks like. Weird color. So I'll just mix it to the rest of the watermelon, which I put some aside just to show you the different color. Normally I use a sieve, but my sieve is very, very old. So this is what we're gonna do. It will take a while. I have to keep turning. So I'll show you when it's all over. Okay, I've done some of it. So it kind of looks like dark green tea. So I'll put it in here. Color. Then I put some in a cup, so you can see the difference. Then I'm going to taste it. Ooh, it's gingery. That's the juice, people. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe for more recipes, and you can click the bell icon to get notifications. Bye.